Alright, take two. Hopefully you can hear me. I think you asked me about the trim on the side. I have the trim in the trunk. We're missing that trim piece right there. And you can tell by the paint that's underneath. The car was originally colonial white. This looks like some kind of a seafoam color. And I think either the front fenders were replaced or the front clip was replaced. Of course, it doesn't reflect that on the title as being a salvage title, but the car drives very straight. I have not seen anything bent on the frame, so I don't know what the situation was on that. I just wanted to kind of show you the overall condition of the chrome. This looks like it's a little loose. The front bumper looks like it sits a little higher on this side compared to this side. These right here is just water spots with dirt. The paint though is nothing to brag about. It looks like somebody did kind of a rough job repainting it. You can see this mark right here is where when they sanded it they didn't block it, so this is a low spot in the paint, and the car has that everywhere. They taped off the car when they painted it versus removing the trim pieces. You can see right here where it was white, the colonial white. I do have this trim piece. I did not install it with the new windshield because I was stupid. There's no reason that I didn't do that. Let's open up the trunk. I don't think I've shown you the trunk. This is a Vertex trunk liner. I have not installed yet because I wanted to clean it up a little bit. There is the new tail lamp lenses I have not installed. You can see there's, see if I can see that, I don't have a light. Right about, there is some rust. See that little flap right there? It's like a rust flap or something. You can see a little bit of light coming in right there. So there's a little bit of rust on the back side of the wheel wells. It's really not too bad. It's under the trim. The chrome trim goes right here, so that's why there's rust, because water is always trapped there. I don't have the visors installed. These are them. They're kind of rough looking. I haven't messed with them too much. But other than that, there's not a lot of rust. Here's the two chrome trim pieces. Somebody tried screwing them back in, and that kind of effed them up a little bit. Here's where the tire would be, the spare tire. You can see just a few rust holes, some leaves. A few rust holes right there, but really not that bad, honestly. I think this car came from Washington. This weather seal back here is a little loose. I might glue that back up. Cool car. You can see the dent right there in the trunk. Right there, a little bit of surface rust. The chrome, you can see the pitting of the chrome. The tail lamp or reverse lights are a little rough. And I have those new red reflectors. I do not have the fender skirts for it. The engine's cold. I'll do a cold start for you. Since the last video, you couldn't tell. Here's the data plate for the car. See if I can get it to focus a little bit.